Hello everybody. If you don't know, I was recording this on the April 1st, April Fool's obviously, and it was Mass Kid's birthday, my friend. So at the start of this video, my friend Fred was generous enough and gave him a free unusual for his birthday. It was really cool. My friend Fred does this all the time with his friends, gives them gifts for their birthday and other stuff. So, hope you enjoy Community Madness.
Let's turn into the game theorist.
Oh no.
He was once Markiplier, now he's the game theorist.
He was Markiplier, but now...
I was, but...
Oh, God!
But the real Markiplier found out.
Live reaction?
Live reaction?
Nice.
Nice reaction. Give a better one.
Where's he going?
He's going to Burger King.
I went to Burger King.
Not sponsored.
Went home from
We
Burger
need to stop him. We need to stop him.
Fuck? Jesus Christ! Why?
What?
Because I can.
Is he sad?
What's so scary? What?
It's not scary. He just gave me unusual.
He's what?
Nice. You got an unusual.
I thought it was just a normal hat. Me too.
Oh my goodness.
Excuse me, man.
Death is near.
Alright guys, my mom's watching. Don't swear.
Alright, I'll do my best.
Fuck.
I'm gonna die.
Byro, you want fish cake? Tastes like fish. No.
Huh?
Well, here, have some fish.
Oh, I said GG if you didn't hear me. If you're talking to me. Even though I think I only killed you once.
Why are you trying to kill me, bro?
TF2 will always be perfect.
Oh, dude, yeah. It
Oh,
has
you
a
want fish?
crackhead
Okay.
energy to it.
There's some fish.
Oh, is that you I'm killing?
Oh, hold on a second. Let me heal you. Let me kill you.
Let me heal you, then kill you.
Now let me get you some fish.
Oh, God.
Purple
Fern,
potato.
I'm so sorry.
He's purple.
No worries, homie. Happens all the time.
Murder!
It was right
Here,
in front
Andrew.
of my son.
Let the voices win. Murder, murder. Let the voices in. Let them win.
Fire. Oh, now I'm flying. Wait. Fire. I have to tell you a secret.
This is chaos.
A little bit. It's always chaos in this game, man.
Whenever you hop into a community server full of people, you can expect chaos. Always.
I'm always the one that just wants to fuck around. Oh my god, there's a whole centuriness in this water. Dude, how much you bet someone's just gonna go in this demo and it's just gonna spam a bunch of stickers down there?
Bet. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna grab my sticky launcher out.
I hate that spray.
My mildly menacing sticky bomb launcher. It's grade A. Actually, you can't say that. That's not very nice.
That image on the ceiling is really sus.
Okay, where is it? Oh. Oh, this guy has an entire base down here. Oh my gosh.
No, sorry, Drake.
I'm just gonna leave them be, you know? Let them do their thing.
Oh, so many scouts.
Nah, sniper's not about aiming. It's about being patient.
Facts. That's literally the entire point of the class.
I can help you.
Patience.
Yup.
Never mind, I can't. Ow.
If you're not patient, you're probably gonna die or miss your shots.
Gotta aim for the head, no matter what it takes.
Hey, who shot me? I'm gonna send a nuke to your house.
Why are you hiding from me? Why?
Who shot me, huh? Hey, there's a landmine inside your house I placed. I'm not telling you where it is. I'm dead.
Don't run away from me!
I love that there are so many people sniping. It makes me happy.
I want all of blue team to go sniper and then just try and snipe as many people as possible.
Now that there's so many snipers, just because they're all bots.
We're gonna recreate World War II. We're gonna recreate World War II up in here.
That sounds like a bad idea, but I like it.
No, it's a very good idea. You just gotta believe me.
Anyway, if we're gonna recreate,
There's so many snipers. There's so many snipers.
If we're gonna recreate World War II, I'm going German.
Oh no.
Why are you using the?
Yeah, we need red team to go German and we need blue team to go American. We're gonna recreate World War II.
The German man's dead.
There are so many snipers!
Wait, are we sniping everyone?
Yeah, everyone go sniper on blue team. Blue team, everyone go sniper.
I don't like this.
Oh goddamn!
I am the only heavy.
There's so many of them.
I'm the only
Alright,
team member.
red team. There's a lot of snipers out there, but I think we got this. Alright? Alright, follow my lead. Follow my lead. We're going to war, men. Go! Oh! Never mind, don't go to war.
I have to kill my friends in this fucking war.
Everyone go! Go! Go, it's war! Go! Go! I'm using this pyro as cover. Oh god damn it. Oh, I'm dead.
This is so silly.
Oh, bro. This is amazing. This is just amazing. Great.
Charge forth.
Alright, red team, come back to spawn. We're gonna make a plan. Okay? This plan is not gonna fail. Trust me. Yeah, Russians versus Aussies.
Is it okay if I can come out?
Come on, everyone on blue team go sniper, and everyone else will go heavy on red team. We're gonna charge them.
That's in. Can I come out, please?
Oh my gosh! Look how many of them there are there! Get them, boys!
No, Furby!
No! We're losing men quick! We gotta hold our ground. We gotta stay put.
All my friends are dead.
No!
I fight for them.
No! Oh my gosh! Medic, please help! Medic! Please help! Stay put, medic. I will protect you with my life. Oh god damn it! No!
Using
Medic!
soldiers. Pyros, attack!
Get him, boys! This is incredible!
You still recording?
Yes, I am. I'm recording. Rush 'em, boys! Yes! This is incredible! No, I died!
This is old TF2, bro.
This is content, pure content. I love it.
Dude, I remember, man, you couldn't leave fucking spawn. You'd have to leave through some elaborate, like, puzzle or some shit. Because everyone was like,
you were young, around with the
Oh my gosh, look at them all in there!
Which one?
what's it called? Forbidden Soldiers, heavy army. They would do this every fucking Sunday, whatever.
Bro, everyone on red, we must go heavy and medic. We must take them over. Heavy and medic, come on everyone. We can do this, we can trap them. We'll take down these Aussies. No matter what it takes. Oh no, they have a spy.
This is looking tough, team. We're snipers.
Heavies, go, go, go.
And your aim steady.
Heavies of the Union, go.
Communism.
Communism at its finest.
Communism is real.
Oh, you got it. We got this, red team. We got this. We can hold them back.
Oh yeah, spy crabs. If you kill them, that's literally a war crime.
Oh, you're right. If we kill a spy crab, that's a war crime.
I know what we can do. We can abuse the laws.
No, you can't just abuse law. Shoot, there's a spy crab in the way. There's a spy crab in the way.
Abuse the law.
No, I can't shoot because you're in the way.
We're committing a war crime.
I can't shoot because there's spy crabs in the way. Get out of the way, spy crabs.
You have to commit a few
Oh.
to get the point across.
Oh man,
Oh,
they're gonna do so much time.
oh, I can't kill a spy crab.
So silly.
The spy crabs are getting in the way. Oh, he's max giving. Oh no.
Commit a genocide if you have to, men.
No, I'm not committing mass genocide on spy crabs. That's illegal.
America.
Hey, yo, I just got a short circuit. Thank you.
Oh,
Genocide. You are not a true
I.
Russian.
Dang it! The spy crabs are in the way.
Kill them all. Call the weak.
Russians, we can do this. Russians have committed war crimes many times before. Russians have committed crimes many times before. We can just kill them for no reason. Kill them all. No shall be left standing.
All right, guys. What's going
They have a tank. They have a tank.
Coming, motherfuckers. I'm coming for ya.
God damn it.
Only a more damn.
Go! Kill them all! None left standing.
The women and children too.
Yes, kill them all. There's a spy in dark room.
Sex children too.
Oh yes, but I am actually. I am one of
Yes!
you. I am a red guy.
Oh, he's a red. Never mind, he's dead. Get him! Kill him!
Ignore the facts that I'm coming out of the blue spawn.
Oh yeah, you're totally a red. You're totally a red.
I understand. He has a VIP ticket. He can go anywhere he wants.
I'm red.
No, you're not. Stop lying to yourself.
There's a soldier on fire! Put him out! I'm on fire!
I have the power of the meatballs.
Oh shoot! He has a meatball launcher. Kill the spy crabs. No one left standing. Kill the mother, father, and children. Kill them all. That's a spy. That's very stinky of you. Kill the spies. They're all spy. What's going on?
Kill the French.
Guys, this is the Russian Revolution. All reds, just go heavy. This is the Russian Revolution. Yes, crits! Ha ha ha! Yes! Kill them all! None left standing. Yes! Ah, this is what TF2 is all about. Wait, guys, they have an offer. They have an offer.
What's your offer?
Yeah, what's the offer?
Ultimatum.
What's the offer? What's the offer? A sacrifice? Guys, they're gonna give us a sacrifice. They have a sacrifice. They have a sacrifice. Creative name. Creative name is their sacrifice. Creative name is their sacrifice. Kill them!
Let's take a vote on who to sacrifice.
Alright.
Ceasefire. Ceasefire.
Oh, ceasefire? Okay, ceasefire. Got it.
Say someone's
No, wait, watch out!
in the chat.
They betrayed us! No, they betrayed us! They lied! They lied! Fire! Firemen! Kill them all! Kill them all! This is incredible! Kill them all! Kill them all! Every single one of them! Watch out, spy!
I'll become the sacrifice.
Okay, he's being the sacrifice! Cease fire! Cease fire! Cease fire!
I'll die for their sins.
Ceasefire! Kill the sniper!
Whichever way you want. Look at out.
Alright, the sacrifice is dead! The sacrifice is dead! The sacrifice is dead!
I died.
No!
Jesus.
Sacrifice has been made.
No! Oh, medic, you saved my life. The sacrifice has been made. Retreat! Fall back! Fall back, heavies of the Union! Fall back! Fall back! Run! Run!
Get the fuck away from me, bro. Get him.
Fire back! Fire! Guys, fire! Fire!
Amazing.
Fire back! Get him! Get him!
Ah, shit, now. Ah, fuck.
The heavies will take back this Union. Everyone push! Push up! Push up! Everyone push forward! Push forward! Keep going! No!
Shit in third gear.
Keep pushing, comrades! Keep pushing!
Hell's going on?
I don't know what's going on. No, we don't take money bribes. We fight for victory. Keep pushing, men! Push them back!
We fight for capitalism.
Yes, capitalism.
You think
We don't take bribes. We don't take bribes. Push forward, men.
Hello there.
Hello. We're committing communism.
I hate
Come on! No! Push forward!
you.
Medic, please!
Communist, please stay.
Yes! Yes! No, I'm dead!
my lust for that?
Push forward, men! We will win this war! No! Our teleporter is zapped!
Build another.
Yes. Somebody in the dark room? No, okay. Come on, men!
Set me on
Push them into a corner!
Meatballs.
Push them into a corner! No! They have an Uber charge! They're resistant! Trap them, boys!
Alright, who's doing the musical? There's always a musical in the
Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Wait, they have an offer. Wait, do they have an offer? Hold on, I'm gonna stop the music. I'm gonna stop the music. They have an offer. Ceasefire! 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 They have an offer. What's your offer? What's your offer? God damn it! Kill them!
It's a goddamn Frenchman. It's a Frenchman.
Those two are rebels. They're not.
Okay, kill those two and ceasefire. Ceasefire. We're gonna see what their offer is.
My lord, they don't speak for all of us. I think I'm like a peasant now or some
What's
shit.
what's your guys' offer? What's the offer?
Ceasefire.
Ceasefire! 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 What's the offer? What's the offer? What's the offer? Blue team, what's the offer? Huh? Don't shoot! Don't fire! Ceasefire! 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 What's your offer? What's your offer? Get rid of the sentry? Okay, get rid of the sentry so they give their offer. Engineer, hold the sentry. Engineer, hold the sentry. Or if you have the Wrangler.
Representative of the red team for.
You guys have a gift? What's the gift? Is it a human sacrifice?
Hi, what's the main reason of the war being?
Because communism, that's why.
Yeah, communist.
That's very interesting.
I guess it's kind of racist too because they're red.
Yes, it is. Alright, what's your offer? What's your guys' offer? What is the offer? Tell us now. They're not giving the offer. Everyone return fire! Return fire! No! Alright, I'm gonna continue playing music. Thank you all for 28 subs. I really appreciate the support. The goal right now is 50 subs. I know before I said 100 or whatever it was for my original goal, but I want to make it 50. I want to lower it down, and we'll slowly work our way up. But yes, thank you all for the support. Thank you for enjoying my videos. Thank you for everything. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one. Later.